Today, I start driving on the track and drifting like a drunk driver. I even pop the trunk. They say I'm unleashed more downforce to keep driving. And I'm gonna teach my friend Ken how to drive like a drifter. Hey guys, welcome to the 10th episode of my drift life. First thing of today is I need to load the car, check out if my new body kit that puts on the car would be able to allow me put onto the trailer smoothly. So I have been very carefully to drive the car up to the U-Haul trailer, but the result seems okay. Every stage from the up ramp to the trailer, it seems fine. So first step done, pass, checked. From the last episode, it's actually all about how do I prepare for this new setup for my car because it's much lower ground clearance. You have to do a lot more tools, better prepare for the track, including the low profile jack. I need to bring the bumper in the SUV this time, and I also rebuilt the ramp that makes the car looks much better with the body kit on. So everything is worth to do in order to bring a better car to the track, right? And we start our first donut session at 4:30 on the track. It is a new layout, as you guys see. Previously, it's only simple figure eight. They try to make it more complex to help driver to practice transition. It is not as new user friendly as before, but you can still find a lot of spaces to just doing donuts within this area. So I later will teach my friend Ken to drifting in this area, so stay tuned for that. So right after the donut session, we goes to the track because from the last event we didn't have the summer jam layout, so this would be my second time to try on the track. The last time I think I only have like 3 runs. The new fresh experience after a couple events later because I have been practicing a lot of drifting technique the last couple events. So the donut area, I have been using second gear to try to stay low from throttles to keep the car not eating too much tire and also being very smooth over the transition until I feel I'm very natural and ready to hit the track. So here we go. This is the Summer Jam layout, which is also the Sonoma Raceway track session. So this is the first run. On the first run, of course, spin out on the second turns because the first turn is an uphill and you have to have enough speed to beam through the whole corner. Then you have to quickly add more throttles to come up the speed for the second turn, and at the same time to make the transition smoothly enough. So there will be a lot of challenge for this. And right after that is a straight, which you have to maintain drifting by left and right transitioning with the right driving line. Then there will be a hairpin turn at the end. So I basically cannot finish a run by linking through all the turns during that day, but it's common because this is very challenging track layout. And also for my level right now, I think with a second gear it is too slow. I think I need to improve to third gear drifting, then I can probably start mastering this track layout. So as you guys can see, I've been spin out, I've been running into the dirt, but that's all fine. That's totally common. You see the other cars, other drivers just like you, they are trying to reach their limit. They are trying to step up to the less levels. Then they have to take some risk, they have to take some challenge. So that's the same what I'm doing right now. And of course I'm very scared, I'm very nervous about damaging my cars on being out of control, but that is also the fun part of drifting. So we have around 6 runs over today's event on the track, because usually in Sonoma the track layout is only open for 2 hours from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock, because we are a little bit late today, and so that's why we're only able to be through 7 runs throughout the day. So on this video I actually include a lot of close-up footwork cam angles, so that I want to be in sync for you guys while I'm driving. Actually, I don't need any sort of heel toe or fancy driving tactics while you're drifting. You basically, it's about throttle and clutch control. Your left foot on clutch, right foot on throttle. Maybe very little time if you are over speed when you enter a turn, you may use the foot brake to break through while you're initiating, but that's all you need. It's all about timing and the combinations about your steering wheel angle and footwork. And for last run, it is the best run I have been able to link through, except the first turn. The first turn I spin out, the second through the end I actually been linking all the turns. So after the track, I passed my car to my co-driver. Today is my friend Ken, so he will be the first time to learning how to drift. He been to the track day before with his STI, but he has zero experience of drifting a wheel drive car. I just want to point out from this video footage, a lot of beginners actually have the same issue, is they hold the wheel very tight. They are very nervous about full throttle, and their clutch kicking is too soon. So this 3 issues combined that makes you impossible for losing or initiating drifting at the beginning. So all you need to do is clutch kicking by release your clutch later after your your car has been revved out, and by the time when the car start losing, you let go your steering wheel and hold it maybe within after the first second. After 2 sessions and about 10 minutes run time, Ken was able to start initiating the turns. I can see he will be kicking very soon and become a drifter. Let's look forward to his later performance. Because we spend so much time on the donut area today with Ken, so we missed out the first couple sessions of the pedal area. But today's the pedal area is all about high-speed turns, which I'm not very familiar yet. You have to use third gear in order to slide through the whole turns, so which I'm not very comfortable at the moment. But and also with such a big area, I start losing the racing line a little bit at the beginning. So this is my first session's performance. I actually cannot be through all the turns smoothly for one run. After the first session, gotta go earlier today. So that wraps up for today's event. It has been a very good experience, especially on the track day, and I hope you guys enjoy it and like it. If you like it, I will see you guys next video.